took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked. I'ma walk his way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come as in heaven on this earth to me. It's now it occurred to me. Hell gon' burn like third degree. If you know your history, Jesus paid that purse for me, and he took that curse from me. If you think that's perjury, boy, you better learn to read. Ayy, me and my baby girl in one accord, call that double dutch. I've been walking with the Lord, can't be doing such and such. Wait, I took a minute, but now I'm back in it. If God isn't with it, I don't wanna visit. I went independent and started repenting and cut out that fake. I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked. I'ma walk his way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come as in heaven on this earth, earth, as in heaven on this earth, earth, as in heaven on this earth, earth, as in heaven on this.
Yo, yo. What up, what up, what up? Pop one.
It's too many songs, not about the crown. I can't drop one. If God pull the trigger, something gon' happen. This ain't a pop gun. Gotta get the full picture when it come to life. I can't crop.
What up, chat? What up, what up, what up? How y'all doing?
Recording in progress.
Horoscopes and dream catchers tell me isn't working. Some of y'all be too drunk off cloud. Don't be
All right,
thirsty.
welcome in. Welcome in. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are well.
Let's
get it, let's get it.
I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked.
Okay, what's good, what's good? Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Wall Street Sniper in the house. Let's get it. DT Gamer in the building. Yep. God is good. God is good in the house. What up, Zyper? What up, Only Bands? Engineer 14. Let's get it. Ewan in the house. Yeah. What up, Energy? Energy in the building. What up, Matt? Good morning. Good morning, Kelvin. Whole squad's here. We got some motion. Mr. Hart in the building. Yo, yo. Chop a screw. Yeah. What up, Michael? How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? Welcome in. The Don is here. The original Don Dada. Yeah, yeah. Cobra's in the house. What up, what up? What up, Mr. Lopez? How you guys feeling today? Happy Friday. What's up, Cody? Yo. Yeah, yeah.
Check, check, check.
Mic check, mic check. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Whoa,
yeah.
whoa.
Whoa.
If there's one thing
Zoomers. How y'all feeling? Long time no see.
is good, all the
Feel like we've been
if he ain't,
yeah, yeah, yeah. What up? What up, Zach? What up, Pitbull? Juan in the building. What's up, Lee? What's up, Conrad? Mr. Kraft is in the house.
God is good.
I like calling you Mr. Kraft. Sounds like a billionaire. What up, Pia Magnifico? Sniping. That dude's a sniper everywhere.
Okay.
All right, let me get all set up here and organized here. We got a few minutes for NY Open. How you guys feeling today? How you guys feeling? Okay. Okay, cool. All right, let's go. Let's go before we get all copyrighted out here. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, cool. Well, welcome in, everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome back to another New York live stream. My apologies about yesterday. Yeah, I was running late yesterday, but we're back here today. We're going to close the week out strong, and I'm going to pray for y'all, and then we're going to begin here. All right, Father in heaven, Lord, I thank you for this group of individuals, Lord, that has come here today, Lord. I pray you bring a lot of them. Lord, I pray that you bless them as they come in, bless them as they go out, just like your word says, Lord. We thank you for all that you're doing. We thank you for that you're a promise keeper, Lord. We thank you that you're a way maker, and we just appreciate the way that you're making for us, Lord. We fully depend on you. We thank you. We honor you, Lord. We ask for your presence to dwell amongst us here today, Lord. We thank you for the spirit of victory that you provide for each and every one of us, Lord. We give you the glory for it, and we thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 How y'all feeling? Everybody doing good? Yes, sir. Clubhouse is doing good. What's up, everyone? What's up, Larry? Yo, yo. Blessed to be alive. Stephen B is in the house. Amazing, amazing. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. Today is Friday. Let me just grab my tools. How's the music? Let me know how the music is real quick before I get started. Talk to me. A little bit loud? All right, cool. One sec. A little smidge. All right, that should be good. What up, Landon? What up, Januar? Januar in the house. He's no more Jaguar. What up, Xander? Mr. Smith, how y'all feeling? So let's go ahead and get started here today. Again, today is January the 17th day. It is Friday. It's another day, another opportunity for us to be patient, disciplined, and grateful, man. Grateful for where we're at, what we're doing, and the life that we got here. So it doesn't look like we have much in the headlines here today. Again, last day of the week. Nothing too crazy here at 8:30. A couple little things for the US dollar, but all in all, just an orange folder and 3 yellow folders. Shouldn't be anything too crazy. So just kind of move about the day here and go after price action. So let's go ahead and do a fresh top-down analysis. Let's take a look at gold here. If you guys can, give the stream a like, which I know you can. So give the stream a like for me, sub to the channel, and let's go ahead and talk about gold here and see what we got going on and what we can cook up here. So, wow. Look at this. So let's talk about the weekly time frame real quick. So it looks like the weekly has this massive wick fill right here, right? So off of that support, I know we haven't really talked much about the weekly, but just real quick, you had that support formed, price pushed up, we just about filled the wick there, and now we're beginning to reject. So we're rejecting, and we're ultimately rejecting in this daily resistance level now. So let's talk about the daily here, because you do have a lot of resistance coming up here. So what I mean by resistance is if I could draw your attention to these highs right here, right? So you got a lot of resistance going on in this area. Will we do the same thing today, right? We haven't really been able to break the highs yet on the daily. We're creeping into the last session of the day here with New York session. And again, ultimately, we're right up in this resistance level now. So we'll see what happens. Currently, I am still bullish on the daily, being that we did close strong bullish here. We do have a wick to fill, but all in all, I am going to keep in mind that we are in this area where we could begin to reject, right? So just keep that in mind as I'm doing my analysis here today. But let's go see how we could take buys and potentially take some sells here today. So looking at the 4 hour, so during London and all that, we moved down very nicely here. So we moved down very nicely, ended up taking sells there a little bit after London open, and ultimately we've pushed down, but we've closed with no bottom wick, right, on that previous 4 hour candle there. Let me just make it a little clear for you. So no wick on the candle, so it's no surprise that this candle ends up moving up. We just about breaking the highs here, but sitting right at the highs. There's still half of this candle left, right? So there's still 2 hours left in this current 4 hour candle, but again, we are pretty bullish currently. Let's see where we're coming up to on the 1 hour. So 1 hour time frame has been pushing up here. The daily flip, I believe, is up here, right? Let me just double check that. Yeah, daily highs are up there. 1 hour is still, hasn't really broke that area yet. I think if you do, you have a nice, this is your wick fill on the daily, so you do have a nice range there. So very curious to see what price is going to do right around this area as we approach this resistance level. So let's take a look at the 30 minutes chop. So the whole London session, this is pre-London and basically London open, and then just a little bit after London you had that nice move down, filled the range, and then no surprise, right? You get that candle here to close above, and then the next candle start pushing up. So now we see what happens here, right? So we're back in this this zone here up at 2740. 30 minute is about to close here in about 2 minutes. So we'll see how the 30-minute candle closes. You did get a 15-minute resistance, so we'll see how everything goes down. Yeah, I think if you're looking at the 15-minute time frame, this could potentially be a range here that you can protect yourself in and then wait for closures either above or below there. So I think that's what I'll probably work with here this morning, and then see where we can go. Yeah, so 4 hour is bullish, daily is bullish, right, at this point, but we're coming into this resistance zone here now. So we got to see how we react here. We may just we could just range right up until 9:30, being that we've already had a lot of volume come into the market. But we'll see. We'll be here for it. So once we do get 15-minute closures, I think price will be ready to go. Cool. That's the day. Took an absolute bleeder this morning. Absolute bleeder. This was my trade earlier. Just straight break of the lows there. We were waiting on this move all London session. All London. All we got was chop in the London sesh. But stops were sitting here. Ended up closing partials right about here. It goes right around here, around this area, and then just held the rest until that candle closed. And yeah, solid trade. Yeah, it's like close to like 25 and about 60, 65. So that was my only trade there, and we'll see what happens for the rest of the day. Yeah, this actually wouldn't be too bad either. Like, you get a bullish closure now, and then a bearish closure, right? Come 8:15, and then you got comics open, you got highs respecting each other, and then those sells look money, right? But we'll see what happens. Got those sells too? Yeah, W. Yeah, we were all waiting on it in London. So I think some people took it. Some people dipped off the charts, went and lived life. Luckily, I still had an hour before the gym opened. So I was just here, just waiting. Degenerate style. How do you close partials? It depends which broker or platform you're using. If you ask me how do you close partials on ... then I could probably tell you. Alright, so that's pretty much my day here. So we'll see what happens. But now we just kind of wait on the 15-minute. Let's clone it. Alright, that's it. So range to the upside here is about 50 pips. Range to the downside, you're looking at a clean like 40 to like 70 pips there. Yeah, so we'll see if we respect that previous 4-hour high, which we kind of nipped it there. So we'll see what happens from here. 4-hour has moved up quite a bit though at this point. Quite a bit. 132 pips. Damn. That's wild. What's my sleep schedule like? 10:30 a.m. 10:30 p.m. to about 2:15 a.m. Entry in London. There was no little to no top wick on the bullish doji. Which one, brother? This one? This one I had a pretty decent top wick on this one. Maybe are you using the Forex charts? That could be why. I had 20 pips top wick there. Yeah, let's take a look at the NASDAQ here. We'll take a look at ES, S&P really quick. So yeah, so our daily close bear yesterday. Interesting, but we've been pushing up here. Haven't really been able to push down on that candle at all here. So 4 hours has been moving up quite a bit. Coming up into filling this wick here now. So we'll see what happens there. That's probably a 1 hour resistance. Yes, it is. So yeah, 30 is consolidating. It's a bit choppy, not gonna lie here. Let's take a look. Yeah, you got like a 24 pip wick fill. Not the best price action. I think the 1 hour looks a lot better. So yeah, just need a bottom wick there. Little choppy, little choppy. BTC pump. The pump chump. The chump pump. Entry behind the cells. So celery play. So check this out. So you have candles that close below. Right, so you're looking at, so you got you got a support here. So notice how price came down, was never able to get back above, never able to get back above there, right? So then you can move this down now, and you go, okay, price can't wick through, it can't wick through. All of a sudden now you start getting closures below, right? And if you go to the 15 minute, where is it? 15 minute, you get this bearish candle. We break the highs, we come down, we close bearish, and this is where you have to basically look at the 30 minute, right, and say, okay, can we fill this range now? If we didn't do anything in pre-London, didn't do anything in London, but we're still moving down, respecting highs on the 30 minute, and then this candle starts moving, right, with like no top wick, entry on the break of the lows, typically you're going to fill that entire range there. So I ended up closing partials like right around this area here, got me like 25 pips there, and then just closed the rest once that candle closed. So the celery play is really the only play I don't really look for that top wick. So yeah. But yeah, let's see if we can move through here. What up, Green? Yo, yo. You got 18 pips here. 18 pips. So we'll see if we can close below this range here. Close partials. Yeah, so if you let's say you're in a buy position, or let's just say you're in a sell position right now. Right? The way you would do it is you would right click and then you would hit, so let's say you wanted to market execute out of here and you had 10 contracts open, you would market buy, right? So you're selling right now, so you would buy it back. So let's say you wanted to close 50%, you would market buy 5. If you wanted to put like a what do you call it? Like a limit order right here, and then just it's like, okay, whenever price hits that, it closes partials, then you got to put limit buy, and then you just determine which one you want to do. And if what you see is not here, meaning like if you want to close 8, then just like open up 4, right? And then you'll have that, and then open up another 4, and then just put that line right on top of the other 4 line, and it'll be good. Yeah, try it out. Get a little practice account, try it out. It's simple, trust me. Green, how we feeling, brother? How we feeling? What type of risk management do I use? Do I close 50, hold the rest? So a few different ways. Sometimes I will close 50. Sometimes I will just go break even or close full. Let's say I took an entry right here in this trade. Let's go like this. So like sometimes when you're taking an entry on the previous candle lows, for instance, like you see how this low is down here, so price could fluctuate right now, right? Price could kind of hit here, come back, kind of fluctuate in this area, but the real worry sign is when it flips bullish. So maybe sometimes like what you'll see me do is now just go like that, you know, so that way like it leaves it room to fluctuate. And if it does end up flipping bullish, which I really don't want to see, then that's when I can get out of there, right? So that's like a little bit of, instead of losing 20 pips, you could lose like 6 pips, you know? So things like that. We've also been doing a few other things in the clubhouse as well. Like, let's say, for instance, let's just like pretend, right? So let's say we got into a position on the break of that low, right? And we break the low, but for some reason we're just struggling. And like price is flipping bullish, flipping bearish, kind of like it is now. And we're sitting here and we're going, you know, all we got to do is re-break that low. If we just re-break that low, we should drive here, right? But now we're hanging out in drawdown, and we're maybe like 2 pips in drawdown. Now I'm just closing the trade. Closing the trade right there, moving the entry down, and redesigning the trade. So now I don't have to be in drawdown for this, right? Because if I'm saying, hey, only if it breaks the low, that's going to lead to our trade really running, and we're hovering right around BE struggling, I'm out right there. I'll take a small little loss, and then I'll re-add this sell stop, right? And then adjust it. And if this thing does start to drive up, then at least I'm not in it taking a full loss at that point. Does that make sense? So those are a few ways that I like to manage. And then obviously candle closures. So every trade is unique. Every trade's a little bit different. But yeah, that's what I've been getting into the hang of. How many times have you said that? Oh my God, all we got to do is re-break that low, and this is going to be such an amazing trade, right? And you're like 2-3 pips in drawdown. Why not just get out of it right there? Because when you entered it, you were expecting it to push, right? Right then and there. So if it's taking multiple minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes to push, and you're still right around break even, close it. Close it and re-add it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, by the way, that technique right there was 3 trades that I did that with, which basically I was risking like $600 per trade. So ended up getting out of those trades right around break even, right? Instead of losing 600, maybe lost like $50 on each of them. And then that saved me like $2,000, right? Just managing risk that way. So now when my next trade that I won, it actually did something, right? Instead of just try to recover that $2,000. So yeah, you know, I like to get up out of there very quickly, and see how I can. One of my main goals this year is keeping losses very small. So yeah, so we'll see if we get closures below or above or where price wants to go here, but 15-minute looking good though so far. What instrument is this? This gold. Goldie. Your chart may look different than mine if you're using like Oanda, because I don't know, the charts are tripping out here. The charts are tripping. What up, Magnus? Where the Zoomers at? Johnny Gems in the house. Let's go.
Yo.
There he is. How we feeling?
What's up, brother?
Hey, how are you?
Hey, how are you? I'm feeling amazing, bro. Blessed and highly favored.
Facts. Feeling good.
How you feeling?
Incredible. Magnificent. It's the word of the day.
Love you.
Yeah. All right, let's get.
It's good, chat. What up? Happy Friday.
They can't see you yet. Hold on one sec.
What's the job today? I don't know.
There he is. The same job it is every day, Pinky. We're going to work on taking over the world.
Chat, what's the job today? Yes, sir.
That's what the job is.
The job is to win. It's going to be a good day. Another day, be patient, discipline to the plan. Let's get to it. Yeah, nice move up there on Goldie.
Yeah, little Goldie. Goldie. The job is what now?
Now what?
Now what? Landon, how we feeling? I like that picture you sent over to me, man. That's a throwback. Good old Eddie and Sam's.
Landon, what's poppin', brother? Good G.
What up, Freddie? Yeah, I've taken trades every day this month. Almost every day. So yeah, if the 15 doesn't close below, then we'll see about the 30. But futures and Forex brokers, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's a little mix up in price action. Oh, nice. What up, LeGrand? Yo.
Good grain. It's good.
Yeah, no closure here on the 15 just yet. So we'll see. We may want to range for a bit, being that we just moved up pretty heavily here. So we'll see. Oh, what we got here?
It's open coming up.
Hey, yo. Man got $1. He got his car wrapped looking like money. Oh, yeah, my monthly record. Yeah, the overlay. Yeah, I'm going to get a new overlay. We're going to cut all that out. Yes, that actually reminds me. I got to hit this dude up.
Gold's like a bouncing ball right now, just bouncing up and down.
Bouncing. Yeah, I could see us moving down here. 30-minute is decent, right? We're in that 4-hour high here, so. Yeah. I'm keeping everything over on TradeZella now. TradeZella. The motivation, you know what? I'm done motivating. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to more like inspire, right? Come here, learn. I don't think you need my record to motivate you. You know what I mean? Ha! Look what I've done! Oh, like I'm King Kong, you know? Look at me! I'm so great. You could do this too, man. You don't need to see my record to, you know, believe that you can do it. Trade good and you'll stack
really
green days. Just focus on green days. This is my record. This is my stuff for the month here, right? Just play the game right, do what you're supposed to do, and check days off. Keep them green, and, you know, just trade properly. You know, follow your system. Follow your system.
I like that, bro. Focus on green days rather than winning more than losing.
That's it.
Because your record doesn't mean anything, right? Like, I could just close once I'm up 4 pips, and I could just say I won.
Yeah.
You know?
Hey, winning trade. W's in the chat. You know. Look at me. I'm so awesome.
At the end of the day, I'd rather have a below 50% win rate or winning percentage and be making more than I'm losing versus losing more than I'm winning with a you know, a higher record. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So a record doesn't mean anything. I think it's more so, are you winning more than losing?
It's just too watered down. Too watered down. People be getting like 4 pips, 3 pips. W trade. Like,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. All right,
So
cool.
I don't want to be that
Yeah,
guy
you're
anymore.
5-1,
you know?
but your 1 loss just wiped out your 5 winners. So is
True.
record that important? You know. So
True.
that 2-pip winner.
Nah, bro, that was break even. Hey, Nick. That last trade was it It was break even, bro. Okay, all right. Yeah, motivation don't last, man. Don't last. You gotta follow the plan. Following the plan is what lasts. Damn, we took a little nice dive down here. That daily's tripping. Daily doesn't know. I'm telling you, this daily might have a tough time moving up here today. I'm gonna be that guy, but you know, I'm not gonna be that guy that's like, hey, look at me, I'm 80 and 4. What's good? You know what I'm saying? Let's just trade. Let's all learn together. I'm not better than you. You're not better than me. Let's just all grind this thing out and have some fun, being a community and winning at the highest levels together. That's what I'm about. Not being like, look at my record and all that stuff. Plus, you know, people are annoying. Hey, man, I think you missed a loss there on that. It's like, who cares, bro? Who cares?
People are annoying.
Like, hey, bro, that record from last year in October, I went back and watched all the live streams. It was off by, you know, it's like, shut up. Shut up.
Shut your mouth.
Show us the Lambo. Just wait on it.
Here's the 820 volume.
Which is more effective in trading, psychology or technology? I want you to think of your trading business like a boat, like a little boat, a little canoe, and psychology is one oar, and technical analysis is the other oar. And if you can get them both right, operating properly, then that's where you win. That's where you move forward. So it takes both, right? You have the best technical edge, but if you don't believe in yourself and believe in it, you know, you won't get anywhere with it. And then you could believe in yourself, like I see a lot of people do, and you could have the worst technical edge, and you could have all the confidence in the world, but lose all your money at the same time. So you got to be a well-rounded individual to succeed in the markets, man. And to succeed in life, man, not just the markets, man. Jimmy Ding Dong.
A good plan and a good mindset, right?
Yeah, you have to. You have to. What exactly is my chart symbol? GCG25 symbol right there. Whoa, look at these short-lived sells without the closure below. Okay, gold. Flippy flop. Flip flop. Interesting. Yeah, that would have been a good partials point, wherever that was. I mean, yo, what up, Chala? How you feeling, my man?
Chala.
How come I don't use TradingView? I like this. I mean, this is very similar to TradingView, and this is the platform I trade on. So I'd rather just use this. I have TradingView over here though. Oh. I still got TradingView. Still got it up. I got Jerome Powell on the line over here too. Yo, Zoom, what up? How we feeling, everyone? Good to see you guys. Good to Stephen B.
Zoomers.
What's going on here today, brother? It looks cold over there. It looks a little chilly, not gonna lie.
Yeah, we're
Chief Joseph, though. Sun's hitting, G. Hitting. You better snap a pic right now, man.
man's got that lighting, bro, for a W pick.
That just looks like glory right there.
Right, dude? Man's glowing.
Glowing. Looking like he's surrounded by angels.
Hero of the day. Tell Michael I said hey.
Hero of the day. Oh, Aaron.
Aaron, what up, bro?
Yo, my man Aaron, man. Magnus, what are you doing? You eating again, bro? Where's Mr. VDM? Where's the squad at? Magnus must be eating his third meal of the day. Alright. Wow, look at this. Lovely. Yeah, that whole cell seemed extremely fishy.
Hopefully we don't fill the whole range.
Yep, look at that. You made a bottom wick on the candle here. Previous 1 hour candle. 145 grams of protein. Okay, okay. What up, DJ
That's fire,
Scratches? How are you? How are you?
What's up, Scratches?
It's getting spooky out here in the New York session. Look at this.
It is.
Yo, why is the New York session just playing with us right like for the last 2 months? I'm telling you, I think most of my
Right,
trades
bro.
been in London. Most of my trades at this point have been in London over the past like 2 months. Probably like a little over 50%. But all that changes on Monday. All that changes on Monday. He's back. He's back in America. 70 indicators, man. That's amazing. How does it feel just having a nice clean chart? I've actually never gotten into indicators like that. Just in the very, very beginning. The IML days. Yeah, so we're going to have a bank holiday on Monday. So, bank holiday on Monday. You also have Trump entering into the White House there on Monday as well. So, there's going to be a holiday. I'm going to probably jump on for a little bit, but not too long. What's up, 11th hour? Happy New Year, my friend. Feels amazing. Nice. The pre-Trump pump. What do you guys think? A gold melter? You think it's coincidence that we're in a resistance level here? Right as we are approaching January 20th? Because I think Trump entering in is going to be pretty good news on the dollar. Which would make sense for gold to melt.
Facts. Yeah, bro. At Make NY session great again. I've only taken 3 trades this week. 2 of them were earlier this week too. Then we kind of just slowed down.
I took about 10
Yeah, we're bro.
altogether.
And you traded London. I did.
9 trades. London, yeah, London could bring the swing plays very shortly. Like London could be really nice leading into New York session now, like as we see some more action from the political side of things. He said 3 trades in the last hour. TT hats? Yo, that's lit. TT hats make New York session great again. I like it. I like where your head's at, Dominic. Wow, look at this little whipsaw candle here. Guys, I promise you, we're trading. We're still trading. I know we haven't gotten much here in the NY sesh. It's. I mean, let's be honest. It's been choppy here. New York session. All the trades have really been like London, pre-New York, and like later in New York. Promise y'all, man. We're out here trading in the clubhouse.
When was the last time you took a trade on YouTube? Like,
when was the last time you got? Yeah, was that like? I think that might have been earlier in the week.
Yeah, right.
Dun, 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 dun. Is there a pre-New York London sesh for 120? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah, so Monday. So we'll do the London stuff and pre-New York. And then we'll probably stream New York till like 9, like 10 o'clock. All right. Well, you do have a 30 closure below here, so we'll see what happens if we can get a top wick or whatnot, and then possible sell stops. YouTube starving. YouTube starving.
Starving Marvin.
Yeah, I want to hit one on YouTube too.
Facts, dude.
Xander, how we doing, brother? Yeah, yo, yesterday, forgive me, man. Very rarely does this happen to me. I mean, like, I don't even remember the last time it did, but man, I got up. So I usually get up at like 2:15 a.m. But that night, I guess one of the kids had thrown like a bunch of clothing on my phone where my phone was. So when my alarm went off, dude, I didn't hear it at all. But my spidey senses did kick in, and I did wake up at like 3. And by the time I woke up, these guys were already hitting TPs in London session. I'm like, all right, well, that's good. So I just went back to bed. Like, I went back to sleep. I didn't even set an alarm. I didn't even hit the gym at 5. I just slept till like literally like 7:30. It was wild. Felt good though. Felt good. I think I needed that rest.
You know you messed up when you pressed the Zoom link and trade's about to hit TP without you.
Yo, I jumped on London. They were all cracking TPs. I'm like, damn. All right. Yeah. hit like 2-3 W's in the chat. Sat down. Like I didn't go back into my bedroom, but I did chill on the couch and just knocked out.
Yeah, right here's a good spot.
I was gone.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, I was gone. Funny though how I woke up randomly at right around London Open and then a little bit before New York. So.
Yeah, right.
What time do I go to sleep? 10:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m. Wake up 2:15 a.m. and get the party started. W Xander, happy to hear that. What time has volume in London? We stream London from 1:30 a.m. Eastern to 4 a.m. Eastern, roughly, about, give or take. Bro, I guess I was tired. Yeah, I guess I was tired.
Yeah, you needed that, bro.
And my brother Joe, who I've been trying to get to the gym at 5 a.m. for like the last like couple months, his first day at 5 a.m. was yesterday. And this man had the nerve to hit me up and be like, yo, you're late. I was about shut. You know what I'm saying?
Slap him in the face.
I'll slap you with a blessing. Slap a blessing into you right now. Most aren't on YouTube Live because you started trading gold sport. You know, that's on them. You know, that's on them. But I mean, this is pretty much XAU USD. The mindset, the mentality, the technical teachings, the tips, the advice, none of that changes. You know what I mean? So although maybe a candle or two is different, everything else is spot on. So you know, that's on them. Been holding buys for an hour. Oh, buys. Hit the like button. Yeah. Joe didn't make it. He wasn't ready. YOLO trader in the house.
YOLO
W.
trader, what's up, bro?
The clubhouse is lit though because you get to hear from all different people. All different people are part of the community. AB Mike was up here last night telling us all about his experience with Crumble Cookie. Oh wow, did we go up and make a top wick there? Yeah,
Yes,
we did. The price all over the place here. Man said full margined half the cookie, got slipped, and blew the account.
Yeah, that's hilarious. Yeah, I was dying from that.
Oh wow, look at this. Pop goes the weasel here. Who's trading NASDAQ right now? Anyone? I don't think you're really a NASDAQ trader if you're not doing it on the 1 minute. I'm sorry, it's just not it. Nice. What up, Cannon?
What's up, Cannon? How we doing?
Big love from Kosovo. Let's get it. Big love from Tampa.
Shout
What
out
room?
Tampa.
What room am I in the clubhouse? All of them. All of them.
He ain't lying, bro. He really is.
I be in and out of a lot. Mainly the New York session, but I'm pretty much in all the Londons as well. All the Asian sessions. Up more than I've ever been. Get used to that statement. Start getting used to that statement, brother. You're earning it.
It's a W right there. That's what we like to hear.
Got slipped like got slipped. Peace out, Cannon. Have a great day, bro. Always good to see ya.
Peace, peace.
Yeah, so the only trade I took today was over here. This move right here, break of the lows, came down, closed partials like right here, and then the rest of it closed when that candle there closed without a wick at the bottom. That was it. I was at the gym for these buys, so I didn't get those, and this candle all sketchy. This candle here drove down here with no wick, came up, reflipped, and then filled the wick. What's up, Craig? How are you, man? We got a lot of people from South Africa in the house. Let's get it.
What's up, Craig?
How you guys making out on the week, chat? You guys doing good, or how's it going? You had your first 2 weeks of the year. How did everything go? Are we still sticking to the plan? Has anyone broken the plan yet? Talk to me, talk to me. Let me know how you guys are doing out there. W week, green week. Very good, very good. Let's get it. Broke the plan once. Was once too many? Or are you still good? No trade yet? Well, I wouldn't call that a horrible week. As long as you still got your... As long as you didn't do anything that you shouldn't have. It's a losing week so far. Did you break your plan, or did you stay committed to it? No trades from December. Learn from it. Hey, that's all you could do. That's all you can do. You know, it comes a point where you break the plan often enough till you just get tired of it. And like you just finally come to the realization that like, all right, you know, I'm not going to be able to be profitable like this. Broke the plan this week and some drawdown. I Show Speed. I think I heard of him. Cape Town. I've made 4%. Let's go. Past phase 1 and 2. Very nice. Congratulations. Now let me ask you something. Did that happen by breaking your plan or following your plan? Which one? Did you break the plan and to just pass your funded account? Think I'll do something between now and then? Yeah. If you've passed, wait till the period is over. Yep. So you don't mess it up. Oh, you follow the plan. Oh, no way. Damn.
Makes sense.
You have a sickness of overtrading. I've never heard of that sickness before. Where'd you get it? Where'd you catch it? I think that's just what you're telling yourself. I think you can control yourself moving forward and not overtrade. I'm very confident in that. Yeah, if you've already made money, which was the goal, then why even be tempted to trade? You see, that's where traders blow it. And that's a big issue, is like so many traders make money, but they can't keep the money. And a lot of times that's always going to happen through overtrading. Either one of two things, overtrading or over risking. One typically leads to the other. Yeah, if it's your first payout, why not just take it to the bank if you already have it? Take it to the bank, man. Even if it's just a couple dollars, that experience alone, everything will now become real to you. And when everything now becomes real to you, and you actually take the money and you actually do something with it, you start to, the next time it's time to overtrade, you start to second guess that, and you go, you know what? Let me not overtrade because I want another payout. That last payout, I was able to ... right? You fill in the blank. And I want to be able to do that again. And I know that if I overtrade, I can mess this up. And I know how real it is, so let me just not do that and just trade smart and just repeat the process. But if you never taste the payout, then you never know how good it really is. So when it's time to overtrade, you're like, all right, let's see if I could just pass the account. Right? But you don't think about, whoa, last time I was able to do so-and-so or such and such. So maybe I could do it again this time. Yeah, you got this. You got this. You do it once, you could do it again. On demo, very disciplined and patient, but on live, overtrading. Is that the case? Or on demo, you just don't have a stop loss? So you just wait for it to eventually come into profit. And then you go, ha 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 ha, I knew it would go that way. Is it an eval or a funded? Which one? Mine? This one's a combine, which I'm almost past. These two are both live accounts, which I can take a payout here on them. Or no, I need one more day. So I'm up about $1,200 on two accounts. So I'm up about $2,400. So I'll probably take a payout on Top Step just to take a payout. I just need one more day here of $200. So once that happens, I'll probably take a small payout and just keep it moving. Yeah, this account is a 50K combine here that I'm trying to pass on this lovely Friday. So let's see if we can get another $1,000 out of this thing at some point today. But yeah, I do have 300K in live accounts, so that's nice, and I'm probably gonna take a payout here. Simplify in the house. Let's go. Good to have you back, man. Good to have you back. Today I made my first 100K. All this going straight to my mom. Oh, wow. I would also consider putting some aside to multiply. So that way you can keep giving to your mom. And Top Step, does trailing drawdown? No. I'm pretty sure once I get over $4,500 profit, my drawdown is no longer there. So now, like, if I went back to zero, then that's the account. Gone. Are they gonna pay you? I would assume so. Top Step, I don't think really misses any payouts. They're pretty legit. Oh yeah, two more. Yeah, you are right. Yeah, you are right. All right, let me just look at my Zoom chat here. I don't think I've looked since I asked if you guys if you followed your plan this week. Had one stupid impulse entry, still green though. Okay. Yanosh in the house. What up, Yanosh? Broke the plan and lost. Yeah. Broke the plan, lost the two combines. Okay, so now you're back up on your other one, halfway there. Okay. Way to rebound. I think that sickness is greed. Yeah, could be. Tetris. Should I trade my own funds with 50 to 100K? Why not? Yeah. As long as you got a system. What will I do with my first payout from Top Step? Probably nothing. Probably just share the certificate. Maybe I'll give it to my mom. On my own capital, would I take the same? Well, that depends on how much capital I'm using. Yeah, it just depends on how much capital's there. Oh my god, look at this move up here on NQ. This thing is just ripping.
Sheesh.
4 hour daily. Gold, I can probably bet on it that it's still stuck.
Yeah, gold's stuck, man.
Yeah. I don't trade gold that much. Yeah, I trade gold pretty much every day. Pretty much all my trades here are gold. Every day. Traded NQ too. Yeah, testing some things out on there. Little power hour action, which was fun. I was telling Johnny Gems about that. But yeah, pretty much all gold. You know, like 85, I would say 95% of my trades are taken on gold.
Oh yeah.
AB Mike has arrived. How long have I been? I've been trading since 2019. 2021 is where things really started taking a turn for me and where I began to get responsible and act like a mature man in my trading. I still mess around though here and there. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, pretty much all my trades are on gold for the last legit 12 months, because it was in February last year where we finally stopped trading GJ. So it's been since February of last year that yeah. What was the record for last year? Is that one still up? No, I took it down. Yeah, so I mean hundreds of trades taken on gold last year. Probably like 200 trades. To be honest, Yanosh, like right now where the prop firms are so hot, I would probably go with trading with them, because even if you do blow, like let's say I blow this account right here, right? All I really did was lose 50 bucks. Like I could lose, if I'm trading my own personal account, I'm losing like 500 to like 1500 per trade, right? Where this one I have the potential to still get a decent payout on a 50K combine, and if I lose it, I literally just lost a $50 trade basically. So, you know, there's pros and cons with trading your own capital versus trading, you know, the firms. But while the prop firms are hot and exciting and there for you, you know, I don't see why not just, you know, work those.
Facts.
But again, both are good, right? Because you can do whatever you want with your own capital. How do I make this job fun? I put the signal out and 450 people show up to make it just a little bit more entertaining for me. It's a little bit more fun when you have like 500 people that you're hanging out with trading. $3 hours? Yeah, it could be taxing. Yeah. But to be honest, this is how I've always known trading. Like even before I started on YouTube, like me and my boys would trade. It would be like 5 to 10 of us every day on Zoom. So like this is really all I know. Like I have traded alone and all that, but I've always been hanging out, you know, with somebody. What up, Rafi? TK's in the house. What up, TK? Yeah, it's always fun to trade with a team. Yep. Took my first trade in London with Top Step. It went well. Nice FX fill. Let's go. What up, Rafi? How do I determine when to lower my lot sizes and stuff? Yeah, so like let's say you want to take a buy. Let's just pretend that you did get a closure above. So I always like looking at the conditions of the market, right? So like let's say you do close above here and you really are bullish, right? And you're expecting that daily candle to move up and the 4 hours breaking the high, but you're very overextended. You're kind of in, you know, breaking through a little bit of chop. You haven't really had much of a support, but you still want to take this buy because it's clean range to move up. That's when I would just lower size right there. Like that's just one example. So it's based off the conditions in the market. Gold chop and a bunch of up and downs here on the 5 minute. Yeah, so sometimes there's going to be super clean range. Like earlier, when I took my sell earlier, this made a lot of sense, right? To take a sell right here on this candle because look at the clean range to the left, right? All that made sense to me. So that's like a good quality trade right there where you have clean range. But let's say there's a bunch of just nasty choppiness and a lot of wicks, right? Wicks here. And then like, let's say you get a closure now. You're looking at all those rejections and you're thinking, damn, you know, I know we got volume. I know we have a range to fill, but we can get caught up in this whole wick area here, right? That's when that's when I'm gonna lower my size a little bit. So sometimes I won't let that keep me out of the trade, but I'll lower size if I'm gonna get into it. That makes sense? So just looking around and kind of checking conditions and all that.
Yo.
Hey there. How are you, Rafi?
How are ya?
How are you?
I'm good, man. How about
There
you?
he
How you
is.
feeling?
Excellent, brother. Excellent.
Friday.
Magnificent.
Friday.
Friday we back. Hold on. Let me get you. What happened here?
How are we doing, chat?
Rafi crushed a webinar here last weekend. It's all up in the database now. The link is up. For those of you guys that are in the clubhouse and you missed that webinar, go check that out. That's a well invested hour. He's in the gold mine.
Check that out. Get some notes because we're coming with a second one that is gonna be good as well. Everything's gonna make sense, so don't skip any.
Yeah, the first of 12 sessions coming up, or not coming up, has passed. So I think every other week we'll run it.
Yeah,
every other week.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's webinar is going to be very exciting as well. We'll have a little pop up.
Yo, Tito, can you hear me better? I forgot my headphones. I didn't have my headphones on. What's going on?
Yeah, you sound fine. You sound
How you
good.
doing, brother?
What's
Excellent.
up, my man?
Doing good,
Johnny's
man.
excellent.
Doing amazing.
How are you feeling?
Feeling
To
great,
hear
bro.
that, right?
Yeah.
Love to hear that.
What about you?
What you
Good?
got going this weekend? I'm good, man.
Nice, nice. Not much, just chilling. Same old. Probably gonna work on myself, review my trades, do a couple things, you know, hang out, I guess.
Yeah, this weekend's webinar is going to be fantastic. So, like, we're going to talk a lot about, like, the importance of basically the missing piece to most people's trading is journaling. So, we're going to talk all about journaling, how to journal, why to journal, the importance of it. Gonna maybe show some examples of people that weren't journaling and then now they are, and let them share with you, because journaling was really the missing piece for me, right? I thought I could do everything besides that and win big, but the issue with journaling is if you're not journaling, you're not collecting data, and data is everything. So tomorrow we're going to talk all about that. We're going to have TK come up. We're going to talk about a little bit more about handling business properly, how to trade under LLC, how to do, kind of do some taxes and stuff, just some general information, no real financial advice, but just tips and ideas that you can take into consideration, because we're preparing the members of the clubhouse to become multimillionaires, right? And in order to do that, you have to, number one, have a way to make money, right? And we got that now. So we know how to make money. So now as the money comes in, it's about really doing things properly with your money and being able to, run it under an LLC, run it as a legitimate business. And we're going to talk all about that tomorrow as well. So that should be fun. And then there's a few more other things that we're going to kind of tackle, but it should be a very power packed webinar, just like no breaks. All gas, no brakes tomorrow. Yes, it'll be phenomenal.
It'll be fire, man.
Yeah.
So I'm excited.
It'll be great.
Yep.
It's pretty much, like you think about it, it's preparing, that about to be trader to be not just successful, but to know how to scale. Because, I've met guys that they learn the skills, they get the mindset right, but then they don't know what to do with their profits, so remember, this is a vehicle. So knowing this kind of stuff is very important, especially for the younger traders.
Yep.
Absolutely. Yep.
Definitely want to prepare everyone for success. Stephen B. Rafi taking his trip this weekend or Monday?
No, Tuesday, bro.
Tuesday.
So on Tuesday, I get picked up at 9 p.m. and I leave at 1:40 a.m. my Wednesday morning. So I'll be leaving 1 p.m. for you on Wednesday.
Wow, dude.
Nah, what time is that? Nah, it's 1 p.m. Tuesday for you.
Getting closer.
Freaking
bro.
get it.
Yeah.
Back to the
excited.
USA.
Closing chapters here. Yeah, just visiting the last places and saying bye to people, and
Yep.
that's the kind of stuff that I don't like to do, But
Yeah.
I feel that.
yeah, I don't like saying farewell. I like, to say see you soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels
Catch
better.
you later. See you
Facts.
soon.
Especially
Yeah, exactly.
in 2025 where we could hop on a Zoom call,
Yeah, exactly.
and still talk.
Exactly. And bro, majority of the people that I know are from all over the place, So I might probably go and see this person in the UK or go see this person in, Europe or something.
Right.
Most definitely. Easy. Yo, later, Sam. Have a great day, man. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your
See you later,
weekend.
Peace, Sam.
Bro, I figured out how to use the top step on the iPad, bro.
Oh, he did? Now he's locked.
You like it?
Fire.
He loves that
Yeah.
iPad.
Oh, I'm not going back to platforms, bro. No way. No way.
What, Forex firms?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Absolutely
Staying with
not, dude.
this system, bro, is so much better, man.
Yeah,
Even
yeah,
simpler.
definitely.
I don't know, it feels good.
It really is.
Yeah.
Let's see here. My advice would be to try and use bigger stops. You know, try and let your trade breathe a little bit. So, however you trade, maybe you don't get the greatest entry. So sometimes price wants to come up and wick around and do all that. So I would use bigger stops. You know, test that out, collect the data on that, and see how it works. Just lower your size if you're going to use a bigger stop, and that way it keeps you in more trades. OGH. Hey, give me a minute. I'll be right back.
What's up, OGH? Oh, man. We done.
No, Tegan, no layover in Tampa. So I'm gonna fly from Korea to Dallas, and I'll be in Dallas for a while. And then from there, final destination. 14 hours, I think, 15 hours to Dallas from Korea.
Dude, let's freaking go. Should be a nice travel day, too. You know?
Bro, you know, I got my iPad packed with videos.
Yeah.
I got some good stuff that I'm gonna be looking at, going
There you
over
go.
some things, some trades and stuff, bro.
Beautiful.
I don't have so much time. Yeah.
Dude, that's right. That's why I love traveling days, bro. It's like, all right, well, there's still so much I could do, you know, that I gotta do, you know, as well with myself. So travel days are a W. I enjoy them.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you got them travel days prepared, you can use them as education
Wisely.
days. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I remember
And
when
you're
I
so
was
focused, you know what I'm saying? Like
You
you have
are.
nothing else going on, bro. So you're 100% in it.
Yes, bro.
I remember like
Facts.
years ago I went to visit Anna's brother in California. It was like my first time meeting him. So on the plane I brought this book, How to Convince Him in Under 60 Seconds. it was a book all about like people skills. Yo, the man
Nice.
loved me right away. He loved me right away. Yeah, I hope
There we
this
go.
guy likes me. That was when we first started dating, like years and years ago. I read that book on the plane. It was called How to
Sick.
Convince Him in Under 60 Seconds by Nicholas Booth, I believe. Yeah.
W book.
Gotta get good. Gotta get good.
The more you know, the more you know.
The more you know. In under 60 seconds. Hello, Raja Banks. How are you doing? Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome in. How are you doing today? Persuasion book? Kinda.
A
Kinda.
little bit. A little bit.
XAU and the futures charts have been different. They have. Bro, earlier, Oanda closed bullish, and this one closed bearish.
Yeah, don't even start with this.
Nothing after that. It was nothing. Where are you from? Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Which to trust? I just go with this
Nothing.
one. Yeah, I just go with this one. I mean, you can't trust any of them.
Yeah, facts.
Only thing you can trust is your system. That's it. Holy!
I'm gonna go with futures because supposedly this is real data, so real market data. So yeah, I would say futures. We literally paid, well, at least with our personal accounts, we pay for the market data, which is the same as this.
Just trust your process. Trust your system. Trust your playbook. That's it. And then whatever candles they're printing in front of you, just run that, and that'll keep you where you need to be. Oh, my phone battery is dying. I have to go, everyone. Take care. Have a nice day.
Sounds exactly like Raja. What the hell?
That's funny.
Raja be middle of dropping some gems. They just like, all right, everybody. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye. Anyway, I'm going to head out here now. Take care. Gone. Trust me, I've watched a lot of Raja Banks. A lot of Raja Banks. I've been watching Raja since 2020. Late 2020. Mid or late 2020. I forget what it was. Another eventful New York session here today. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. What do you see here? What do you see here? Nothing. Nothing. Oh. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. Rafi flying business class? Haha.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe not.
He might be.
You'll have to find out.
14
We'll never
hours. Follow on Instagram to find out.
Facts.
The
A
Moise.
lot of massages needs to be done in the next couple of days. Definitely.
Yeah. Raja, king of Forex. Facts. Yeah, I'm a market fluidity member to this day. I got market fluidity right here. Right here, baby. Right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You won't catch too many not with a green check. You won't catch too many without a green check. I'm all over it. I saw you comment on his London stream today. I think it was about 1 to 2 trades a day. Yeah. Did you hear what he said about it, right? So like everything really did change for me back in 2021 when he said, "Yo," he said a couple words that I won't say here, but he said, "Yo, da 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 da. If you want to change your trading this year, stick to 1 to 2 trades a day." And I'm like, all right, you know what? I'm finally just going to do that. And little did I know that was going to leave me less room for error, less room for mistakes, right? And just come in, sweep up some pips, or either gain some pips, lose some pips, and then call it a day. Right? So every single day, and a lot of you guys who've been following me since I first started the stream, you guys know that there was a point, especially early on, where I was basically taking one to 2 trades a day, right? And typically if the first trade was a nice winner, I was done. Moving on, right? Moving on with the day, made money, time to go. If it was a loser, a lot of times too, I would just call it a day. I wouldn't try and revenge trade it. I wouldn't try and get it back. Typically that's where trouble begins to start. So, you know, that whole 1 to 2 trades a day, if you're struggling with over trading and all that, that's something I would highly recommend that you begin to apply in your trading. I was an over trader, 100%. Oh, I over traded, I over risked. That was my big issues. So limiting yourself to 1 to 2 trades, again, will leave you less room for error, less room to shoot yourself in the own foot, if that makes sense. Also a member. His first YouTube videos. Yo, yeah. His live streams back in the day, back when he lived in Canada, were just incredible. He talked about Ripple today. What prop firm do I recommend? TT's prop firm. Just wait on it. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Kidding, not kidding. Coming soon. Oh, did I say that? Yeah, probably right now I would, if you're trading Forex, I would go with Top One Trader. If you're trading futures, I'd go with Top Step. Can you explain the consistency rule? Yeah, so companies have like a 50% consistency rule, right? So that means that if the target is, let's just say $3,000, right, is the target, that means on any given trade, the most you can make is half of that, 50% of that, which in this case would be $1,500. So the most you can make on any given day would be $1,500. Otherwise, you'd be going over, or yeah, the consistency rule there. Forcing myself, yeah. I had 95 trades in the last 3 weeks, so yeah, that's a lot of trades. That's a lot of trades. Now let me say it this way. Let me phrase it this way. That seems like too many good opportunities to me. Like I can't see 95 golden opportunities within a 3-week period. But that's just me. A+ opportunities, right? So look for the best of the best, the A+ ones. Does 1 to 2 trades for swing trading? Yeah, I think 1 to 2 trades a day applies for trading. Just trading. It applies for the over trader. Once you start getting all that stuff down and you're not over trading and doing all that anymore, then you can, you know, and you're more responsible and with your capital and you've kind of beat that part, then you can kind of look for trades multiple times a day. But to keep yourself in check, if you're at a check, then I think 1 to 2 trades a day is phenomenal. I blew another account. 2025 is not starting well. Well, you know, it's not about how it starts. It's about how it finishes. You know what I mean? And it's still very early on in the year, and it would be a shame to cancel your success at this point in month 1 of 12. There's still a very long way to go. Just clean your act up and keep it moving. We need a TT prop firm? February. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, what? Just, huh? Coming soon. Simply sell, man? Don't overcome? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Caught up with the consistency rule. Had a crazy runner. Made 2K on instant fun. Yeah, I know. Tell me about it, man. So you got to learn the rules of the game, you know. It's not that we're dumb, we're not learning the rules, right? So make sure you just learn the rules to whatever it is that you're trading, so that way you don't have to go through all that. That's why on these accounts, $1,400 is my max daily profit. That's all I'm trying to really make on any given day. Why does everyone want to be a prop firm owner? Who's everyone? Do they? Green throwing Eagles. I just feel like we're a generation, like I was saying earlier, that has been just honestly just screwed over by so many prop firms with so many stupid rules and all that BS, where I'm ready to just bring a product to the table that is very straight up. And my goal, and I'll tell you straight up, is to find talent. I want to find talent. In the next 3 years, I want to have 40 high-class A+ traders trading my capital for me and me copying all their trades. So when you make 10 grand, I make 10 grand. So that's my goal. That's my big goal, is to find 30 to 40 studs and studettes that I can have, that I can say, hey, we have a huge master account that will allow you to trade, and we're going to create a hedge fund, and that's how we're going to do it. So we're going to find talent through this and through the prop firm and all that stuff. How many contracts on 50K? You can open five max. Yeah, ever since I watched Billions, I've always had this vision now of this prop firm. I mean, this hedge fund and all that. So, you know, there's steps. You got to build it day by day, brick by brick, and that's what we've been doing.
Just like anything, right? It's a process to it.
Yeah. So, like, a lot of firms over the years have kind of like red flag the good traders, which I never understood why. Like, why would you want to mess with your good traders when you can keep them around? See, most people just don't have a long-term vision, right? So when they see somebody good that's milking payouts, they say, hey, we got to slip this guy. We got to do something to make him mess his account up. So what you're doing is you're muffling a great trader, right? Someone who can actually you could work with long term. So I never understood why those firms did that. When I see that and you get like 3-4 payouts from me, I want to have a deeper meeting with you, and I want to say, hey, I want to put you on a live account where I can copy your trades. I see your results. I see what you do. I see that you have a consistent track record of trading. You're not being an idiot. And that's when I want to put that person, and I want to attach my account to theirs. Straight up. You know, imagine having 40 people pulling in over $4,000 a month, or I'm sorry, $10,000 a month, and then, you know, the hedge firm is copying all those trades. Pretty solid, right? Do the math. So we're looking for talent, and we want to reward the right talent. We want to work with the right talent and do something long term.
Amen.
It'll be the best firm you've ever played with. I promise you that. There will never be a rule in there where you can go ahead and try and blame the firm. It's going to be obvious when you break it, right? Because everything will be very straight up. I'm tired of hidden rules and all that BS. So we're going to make a change here in the industry.
Yo.
Just like we've been doing.
And you want. Yeah.
We've been forming the professional trader. How many of you guys have come in here and like just crafted yourself into a better trader, more professional, more responsible? So that's what we're here to do. And we're here to let you know that this ain't easy. It takes time. It takes work. It takes effort. You're not going to get it done by doing stupid things. You got to really, really be serious. You got to really treat this thing like a business in order to see consistent, good results. You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome. Yeah, so there's a big vision, and we've been talking about this vision for quite some time, and you'll continue to see it play itself out just because there's some higher power guiding it all. Top Step Monday hours. Let's take a look here. Thank you, Hero of the Day. Wait, where'd that go? All right, Monday Top Step hours here. So 12 p.m. Central. Okay, so that's what 3 p.m. Eastern.
Is it?
Damn, they closed the live account 15 minutes before. Interesting. Interesting.
So what's that our time?
I think that's 3 o'clock.
So 3 p.m. 2 Eastern, 2 p.m. 3 p.m. Eastern time. Markets will be closing.
Yeah. I mean, that day I'll probably be done by like I'll probably peep 8 a.m. and 9:30, and that's it.
All right. But what we're gonna do London and pre New York, right?
Yep.
All right, but.
You're welcome. What up, Morpheus? How you doing, man? Do I ever watch Top Step TV? A little bit. That's kind of what I kind of base the clubhouse off of. Just a cool like live stream running that traders can come into. So yeah, I've watched it before. I don't really watch too much of it, but I've definitely seen it. Top Step.
Come trade with us on the Top Step.
Yeah, I've seen it, but I don't really watch it too much. Let's see. Lives. Last one I peeked in on was this one here. 11 days ago. I was looking for this specific one, but wasn't able to find it. Damn, I'm way behind on the chat here. Whoa. 9 a.m. It's already 9:25. Haha, I sound like Raja? Holy!
9:30 about to cook in.
Yeah, yep. Let's see if we get a closure below here for 9:30. Just been chopping here since like 8:15 though.
Alright.
Nasty candle there too. What's up, Dan? How are you?
What's up, Dan?
Can you teach us your strategy really quick? I think it deserves more than a really quick rundown. So if I were you, I would go watch this video right here. The Playbook 2.0. I'll break down everything for you. Everything. All of them. All of it. All of it. All of it. Mindset, mentality. This is probably the best video you'll ever watch. Check it out. Keep it simple. Keep trading simple. Straight to the point. But yeah. Call it the upper room. Yeah. Who's ever seen that movie Life? The Upper Room. Three minutes. Can I get a Top Step account without a practice account? Oh, without purchasing one? I don't think so. I don't think so. What up, Daniel? Yeah, I think you have to have a an account first. The upper room. What's my plan for this year? Payouts, 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 payouts. Managing risk quickly. Continue to hone in on my craft and really seeing a lot of the clubhouse members get payouts, 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 payouts. That's the chant of the year. Payouts, 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 payouts. So we're getting to the money here. We already see a bunch of people now getting funded, right? So that's step one. And now we move into that payout process. So most people in the clubhouse are really getting their act together, like really getting their act together. And then the other ones are right behind. You know, they're following along. So you can't be in the clubhouse for too long without it rubbing off on you that you should be following your rules and following your plan. You know what I mean? So it's just a matter of time before the others just really get it together. The new generation, they can't handle that movie? Probably not. Probably not. Probably not. Bro, remember when they made him stand on them bottles? Oh, man. New York sesh been choppy, yeah. Gold's been super chopped here. Let's take a look at ES and all that. Wow, just a goner. She's a goner. Sheesh. This thing just kept pushing right off this massive no top wick candle right at resistance. Naz said, I don't give a rip. We're gone.
Naz, man, sheesh.
And watch us come right back down now.
Nazier. It's nasty.
Everyone has just already quit, bro. Yeah, a lot of people have quit. A lot of
Very
people
true.
made goals in the new year when they were all motivated, and then they've already stopped, you know, and it's just not going to happen that way. Let's see. I think Naz could just fly down here. But did we get what we wanted here on gold? That's the question.
Nah.
Yeah, no
Nope.
closure below there. 15 minute.
Arm you, Goldie.
Yeah, I mean, we're just ranging here. 15 closure maybe.
Same range as earlier today.
Yeah, this is dangerous. It's dangerous.
Dude, for real. Cool.
Got a good budget for these accounts? Nice, nice, nice. What were you going to say, John?
Oh, yeah. I don't even know. It's cool too, like, because you can budget differently, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, because you got options with which accounts you want. You got, 50, 100, 150. So it's like, okay, well, if I don't got any more room for the 150, then I could do the 50 maybe, So it's cool that you got options as well when you're budgeting these accounts.
Yeah. I'm codifying Nick's strategy, making it MT5 bot. Oh, what are we going to call that? The Eagle 4000? Eagle 9000. Nice, Pat. Let's go. Bro. Range game.
Right? Like the 1 hour looks good, but the stops are massive on the 1 hour, so.
4 hour candle coming back down here. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, stops are too
That's
deep.
what I was looking at in pre-NY too.
I'm telling you, just wait. I think next week we will begin to see a better New York session moving forward.
I think so.
I think so too.
Yeah.
We believe. We the
I
people.
believe.
Just get attach it to whose account? Holy Nick who? Nick who? Which Nick we attaching our accounts to?
I don't know about that.
John, you alright over there, bud? My guy did the Hawk Tua.
Like I getting sick or something, bro.
Nick Stew with 5 T's. Yeah, word. Nick Stew from the Discord. 4,000. Yeah, the 4,000 is the old version. We got the updated version now.
Yo, my bad, bro. I had something in my throat.
Good idea, Billy. Actually, great idea. 3, 2, 1 lockout, bro. Yeah, John. Me and 444 other people noticed that as well.
Sorry, y'all.
John, what we doing today, bro? It's Friday.
Sorry, I'm not perfect.
Where we going? What we doing? We're golfing. Are we golfing on Sunday or what?
Yeah, bro, I'm down. I'm with it.
Let's get it. We're not waiting for Monday. Monday, we're watching Trump.
Yeah, I know. So I'm down Sunday. Celebrate
cool.
Trump coming in.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Is it too cold to golf? It's never too cold to golf. Yeah, it is pretty cold, so hopefully Sunday it'll be pretty nice. Let's take a look at the weather here.
Yo, chat, what's something fun I can do this weekend? I find myself just like not having any
Staring
plans.
at the doorknob.
What's the wave?
John's tired of staring at the doorknob. He's becoming Marcus
already did
Aurelius. He's stoic at this point. Yeah, Sunday we're lit.
Chat,
That'd actually be pretty nice.
chat, I'm 19. I'm in Florida. Like, what's something I can do? I got nothing to do.
Take the holiday off. Which one? Calling it a day? Yeah, good idea. Good idea.
Yo, Nick, you guys have paddleball out there? in
Yeah,
Tampa?
yeah, it's big out here, bro.
Bro, we need to
Big,
hit that.
big. Yeah, it's
hit
real
it.
big.
Yeah, facts.
It's massive here in
It's
Bali.
huge, huge.
Huge.
Yeah,
bro,
let's
it's
play.
sick.
Did I hear you're gonna have a
Yeah.
layover in Tampa?
I wish.
I wish too, man. We could have planned that. We could have planned that.
Nah, I don't think you can.
Probably not.
Because
Probably
how
not.
these flights are connected, but yo, let me get settled and I'll book a direct
Pull up.
flight, bro.
All right, but
Let's do it, dude.
Yeah.
I
Facts.
got you. You can
I'm
come
gonna
stay
be
at
in the cold
my.
weather. I'm gonna need a break from this
I'm gonna
snow.
play paddleball with you, bro.
Yeah, bro, it's sick. It's really fun.
Hell yeah.
Paddleball, I think, is a really, really good exercise for you for trading. Because you have to truly, like, if you're going to have a plan, you're going to have to be able to do it over and over and over and over. And it's a pattern game. You know what I'm saying? So it's good. It's good.
He said
Hey, y'all, anything
gym
to
tan
improve my
laundry, bro.
trading?
Gym tan laundry, John.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
My
Nah.
girl does my laundry though, so
Sebastian, you golfing right now? Let me find out.
Oh,
Let me find
practicing.
out.
he's at the simulator.
Oh, that's a simulator. Yeah. I got you. All right.
Jen, where are you at? Where's that at?
Go to the
Is that in
fair.
Florida?
Go to the fair, John.
There's a fair where?
Somewhere in Florida, I'm sure. It's a big state.
Columbia. Next time. Yeah, comrade. We usually do that anyways. I'm usually always chilling with Nick on the weekends. So
No, he's not. He just says that. He never invites me anywhere.
no, we're usually chilling on the weekends.
Go fishing, bro. Yeah, go fishing.
Go to the beach, bro.
I can do that. Yeah, I don't know. It might be too cold for that.
Way too cold.
Yeah.
Go gator hunting. There you go.
I do that daily. Nah, I'm just
Hunting for gators.
Good idea, Connor.
Yeah, there's no doubt we're playing golf on Sunday because Joe Stewart is not holding that win for too long.
Yeah, bro. Let's do it.
Kid came out and played like freaking Tiger Woods.
Dang.
Yo, like, I don't even think he like messed one up. I'm like, where'd that come from? All right, everybody. I think that's gonna be it. I think I'm gonna head up out of here. Time to roll.
Call it.
Don't feel like looking at consolidation anymore. Yeah, I hope y'all have a great weekend. If you guys, if you really want to further your education, I'm not saying this, but like for anything, but join the clubhouse. The webinars in there are insane. The webinar we're going to do tomorrow is going to be absolutely incredible. There's such a wealth of knowledge in there from not just myself, but so many other people. And we want to see everyone win this year. You know what I mean? So hopefully we see you in there. Everybody else, I'll be back on Monday on YouTube. Or actually, no live stream on Monday. We got a bank holiday, so we'll be in the clubhouse for a couple hours. We'll be there in London and all that too. But Tuesday we'll be back, my friends. All right, Tuesday we'll back. Stick to your plan this for this day here. Don't mess anything up. Be easy if you're trading on Monday. You got a bank holiday and all that, and then I'll see you back here on Tuesday. Cool.
All right,
Ladies and
boys.
gentlemen. Johnny Gems, Rafi, I'll see you guys in a few minutes in the clubhouse.
Thank you
And
for having me.
yeah,
Let
they're
me see you,
Thanks,
chat.
bro.
yeah,
See you,
yeah.
ladies and gents.
All right, y'all.
Have a
Hey,
blessed weekend. Peace.
yes, sir. Be blessed. Keep going. Whatever you do, don't slow down this weekend. Just keep on going, my friends. Don't slow up. Keep on your day-to-day non-negotiables, and we'll see you back here next week. All right. Peace, G's. Later, y'all. Have a great day. I'm out. Peace.
Keep going, keep going.
I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I don't half step cause I know the full truth. The devil cooking, he don't know that I could cook too. When life give me pressure, I still show the good fruit. I treat it like my last rep and I just push through. I don't believe in failure cause I can't afford it. And if it ain't meant for me, then I ain't about to force it. I think about the victory, it trigger my endorphins. The mission too important, ain't no way I could abort it. So I gotta keep going. 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 Yeah. We on time, momentum come alive anytime God ride. It be only God vibes, I'm consistent when I try. It's divine, you would think we at the park the way he slide. All I feel is bliss since the purpose been defined. God don't ever miss, he got my back when I arrive. Anytime I give, I get it back, I pay my tithe. Anytime I slip, I come right back, I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I gotta keep going. 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 I gotta keep going.
This is your winning season. You have been so used to feeling like you're losing and not making any progress and being stagnant that now that you have stepped into the promise, you are battling with accepting what God has promised you. Receive this message with love and an open heart and allow God to give you everything that he has promised you. Stop resisting the promise, okay?
Glory to the Father, shorty counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was done. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you.